In front of me is Honor 9X Pro, and let me show you how to reset all settings on this device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then locate System, click on it and go to Reset. Here you will notice Reset All Settings, mark it, and if you truly want to reset all settings, just remember that no data or documents will be deleted, just tap on Reset All Settings. Then confirm that you would like to perform this action by tapping on Reset All Settings. And that's it. You've just performed the action, the operation. All settings are reset. As you can see, the change, the brightness is decreased, also the layout of icons. Everything has been reset to the default settings. Just wait a couple more seconds and then you will be able to see some further changes. And then just enter PIN code if you have one. And that's it. As you can see, it has been reset and now you can set your phone up from scratch. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.